Pour dish soap into an ice cube tray and place it in the freezer. It will gain new properties. Most people use dishwashing liquid every day, unaware that a simple action can enhance its effectiveness. Instead of pouring the entire amount into the dispenser, leave some liquid and pour it into a regular ice cube tray. Fill it halfway. The liquid will expand during freezing. Place the prepared tray in the freezer overnight. In the morning, the liquid should be fully frozen. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. In this form, it will have new properties. It will be useful for special tasks, such as a burnt oven or grill grate. Cleaning them can be irritating. With these cubes, you'll do it much faster. Simply take one out and start sliding it over the grate. The liquid will spread, removing stains and burnt grease. Toss such cubes into the sink when an unpleasant odor emanates from it. The problem will disappear instantly. The liquid will slowly thaw and flow through the pipes, cleaning them during everyday sink use. Were you familiar with the trick of freezing dish soap? I always keep a few cubes in the freezer. Since I started cleaning my sink this way, I haven't spent any money on chemical cleaners. I forgot what stains and lime buildup even are. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It works as a gentle abrasive and breaks down lime deposits. Then pour in about 2 ounces of any dish soap. This helps break down grease and cuts through grime. Mix everything well. If the mixture is too runny, add more baking soda and mix again until you get a paste. Use a brush to apply the paste all over the sink, reaching every spot where lime and buildup hide. Then scrub everything with a sponge. Don't forget the drain and faucets. They collect a lot of dirt. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then dry with a microfiber cloth. Your sink will shine like new. It looks just like it was professionally cleaned. You absolutely have to try this. You probably didn't know about these 5 sponge hacks. They'll completely change your daily routine. First trick, take a kitchen sponge and add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Place it on a fridge shelf. The salt will absorb all the moisture and bad odors. Your food will stay fresh much longer. Second use, take a dry sponge and rub your clothes with the green, rough side. It works like a lint roller, but reusable. In the next trick, carefully cut a sponge and attach it to the end of a broom handle. Now you can easily clean hard-to-reach spots. Throw clean sponges into the washing machine with your clothes. They'll catch pet hair and small fibers during the wash. Your clothes come out looking fresh with no extra effort. The last hack will transform your kitchen. Cut a slit into one side of a sponge and insert a laundry pod or a piece of soap. When wet, the sponge slowly lathers, giving you endless foam. One sponge, so many clever uses.